Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their Screamo bath bomb that they released for Halloween. I was very excited to see this one because Scream was one of my favorite movies when I was a child. And I had saw like quick demos of it, and a lot of the people, like when the water got to the mouth, it was like trailing out like it was screaming, and I thought that was really cool. Mine, however, was not very active, which I guess is kind of cool because it looks like it's just silently like screaming and frozen there. So yeah, I still enjoyed it. I thought it smelled good. It's supposed to have a sweet, juicy cherry scent. And this bath bomb is 4.2 ounces and the price is $6.95. I'm sure those are still available, at least for a little while. And right here, it looks like the clip is like the screen's frozen, but it's not. It just wasn't really doing anything. So if you got this bath bomb, let me know if yours was like that. Maybe it was just me. I did try to pick it up and see how much there was left. I tried to dip the front part of its mouth in there to see if I could get that trailing blue coming out, but that didn't really do much either. So after a while, it did kind of break apart, and there was only one little chunk left. But I absolutely love the color of the water. It's a bright bluish purple. And that's what I have for you today. I did get my very first Lush Kitchen subscription, so if you want to see what I got, check it out. I'll be doing demos of those products as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.